Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. I have been asked, how do you remove Malwarebytes from your Windows 10 PC? Well, this is actually quite simple to do. To start off with, first you need to go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click on the start menu button, and we now need to click on apps and features. We now need to click where it says search this list and type in malware, and you now need to click on Malwarebytes, and we now need to click on uninstall. You need to press uninstall again, and we need to go yes. And it will begin to uninstall Malwarebytes. And there we go. As you can see, Malwarebytes has successfully been removed from my PC. I do recommend you restart your computer once you have finished uninstalling Malwarebytes, and then make sure you do have security enabled on your computer to keep you nice and safe when you browse online. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.